West Indies under-19 head coach Rohan Nurse says there can be no excuses as the team looks to lift their second ICC Youth World Cup trophy. More in this report.
The West Indies youths departed Barbados on Tuesday evening for the ICC Under-19 World Cup in Zimbabwe and Namibia. And head coach Rohan Nurse believes enough has been done to prepare the team to fight for the title despite not having their usual extended camp.
We're daring to dream. Ultimately, the fact that we would have played really well in the last two series, I keep harping on that because that would have built confidence in the group. And we are quite confident and happy with the work that we've done and the preparation that has taken place in the territories with the pathway coaches as well as the franchises. And ultimately, we're ready to go.
Despite not being together throughout preparation, Nurse believes they have done enough to get the team ready.
And the mood has been very, very good. Ultimately, we have been innovative in terms of trying to keep them together. We're not being assembled in one space since the series against England, but continuous communication, interactions, having online sessions where we share information, experiences as well. And ultimately, everybody's pretty clear in terms of what the objectives are and what their roles are. So we're just looking forward for them to execute.
It's been 10 years since the triumph of 2016. And Nurse says that they have been deliberate in ensuring the current team is aware of the importance of the tournament.
Ultimately, it's good to know the history, and that is something that we've tried to do, not only with the under-19, but we've tried to incorporate the use of legends and stuff like that so that they understand what it takes and what's the history like playing for West Indies and what it means to the Caribbean. But ultimately, every World Cup cycle is a new slate. You know, it's not a direct correlation on previous performances, but these guys are very aware of what's at stake, and they're about to embrace the opportunity to create their own history.
The Caribbean boys will open their campaign against Tanzania on January 15. Left-arm wrist spinner Vittel Laws is the only Jamaican in the squad. Renardo Brown for TVJ Sports.